Guys, 2017 SS Chevy, 6.2 liter. What a nice car. Other than this little PFF, peeling off, car is in really good shape. He just bought it too. He brought it right to us to get it some more sound. So let me show you guys what we've done to it. So it's got long tube headers there and there, high flow cats there and there. Then fully straight piped all the way back. And then we did a muffler delete and then welded the valves right there. So it still thinks it has the valves on it so they could open and close as freely. And then we finished it off with quad tips. Put some new shoes on her. Stainless steel quad tips, as you guys can see right there. Nice. Came out really beautiful and perfect. All right, we're going to let you guys hear it. Stay tuned. Hope you guys like it. What'd I tell you? That's loud, bro. So idle now is 80. This is idle, guys. All right, give it gas. One more. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Yeah, I was right. 125. That's insane, bro. Wow. Go and back it up. Wow. That sounds phenomenal. Woo! I gotta stand back, my ears hurt. Everything's tickling in my ears from the sound. Again? Oh, it sounds so good. Really nice. You guys hear on the inside. Chevy SS 2017 6.2. Long tube headers and fully straight pipe. Here we go. We got one of our customers who's stopping traffic. We appreciate it. So we can do a nice proper drive off. That's awesome. Wow! Did you hear that? Jeez! Lordy, lordy, lordy. That was amazing. That's a beauty right there.